Hi, welcome to the SendPulse CRM course. My name is Anton, I am a SendPulse ambassador and your online lecturer. In this course, we will learn step by step how to use SendPulse CRM to take your business to the next level. We will figure out how to collect contacts, manage deals, and most importantly, automate all processes so that you can focus on what matters most. Throughout the course, we will talk about basic settings, how to create sales pipelines, work with contacts and deals. Then we will move on to internal integrations to learn how to automatically collect leads from forms and chatbots. We will also look at external integrations that allow you to connect CRM with telephony, Google Sheets, and other services. Before you start learning, I suggest you review how to use this account. It's very simple. Each lesson consists of a video and additional materials. To view a lesson, simply click on it. After completing the lesson, if you are taking the course linearly, click the Mark Lesson as Completed button. This will let the system know that you have mastered the material and will credit you for it. You can also watch the lessons in any order you like, as you have access to all the video lessons in the course at once. If you have any questions about the content of the lesson, simply click on the letter icon in the upper right corner, write your question and click Send. The SendPulse team will respond as soon as possible. To view all your questions and the teacher's answers, use the Questions tab in your account. When you mark all lessons as completed, the progress bar will fill up. You can then go to the results page and get your personal certificate. Just click the appropriate button and it will be ready to download. By the way, you can easily change the language of your student account interface. This is convenient if you want to receive a certificate in another language. I hope this course will help you turn your CRM into a powerful tool for business development. Don't waste any time, start learning, and see you in the first lesson.